Welcome to The Sims 4, and I'm really excited for this series. So welcome to part 1. Welcome to Create a Sim. Sorry about that. Here in a Create a Sims, the story of your Sims begins. We'll show you how to name them, design their personalities, how they look, and when they appear here. We'll show you how to move them into our new home and take control of their lives. Okay. That does not look nothing like me. Does kind of look good. But let me see. Ooh. I want a jacket. This one looks cool. I'm gonna go with this one. Bottoms. Pants. Let me see. Jeans. No. Back. Okay, for formal. No. Tops. For formal. Like this. Bottoms. Accessories. Doesn't show. Who cares anyway? Shoes. There we go. How do we take care of them? No. Yeah. Athlete. That looks perfect. Like that, but I don't even wear glasses. Move. But I could wear some of these. I actually do want a facial when I grow up, so don't mind me. I'm just gonna be able to like this going up. Perfect. Brown though, and I need my hair is brown too. Not that brown. That brown right there. Okay. Yeah, that'll be our sleep. This kind of reminds me of Marionette from Five Nights at Freddy's. Bottoms. I actually do kind of have one of those. Yeah. What is this? Oh my god. There we go. Okay. What's What does the style looks mean? No! No, no, no. Oh, now that looks perfect. Okay. I'm gonna end the episode here. Bye, guys. Hope you like this episode. I will return to this soon. Soon. Bye.